In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine PDFs in DocHub. By the end, you'll know exactly how to merge multiple files into one clean, organized PDF without any confusion. First, open your browser and head to DocHub.com, then sign into your account. Once you're in, go to your Documents page. Think of this as your library. This is where all the files you've already uploaded live. If you don't immediately see what you're looking for, give the page a moment to load or adjust your view so you can spot each PDF clearly. Next, select the PDFs you want to combine. Hover your mouse over a file and you'll see a small checkbox appear in the corner. Click that box for each PDF you want to include. You'll need at least 2 files selected to merge. You can select more if you're consolidating several documents into one. As soon as multiple files are checked, a toolbar will appear at the top of the page, confirming you're ready for the next action. On that toolbar, look for the option labeled Merge, which may also appear as Combine PDFs depending on your interface. Click it. This opens a preview window showing all the PDFs you selected so you can review what's included before finalizing. Now arrange the order. In the preview, you'll see thumbnails for each file or page. Simply drag and drop to set the sequence you want. This is a great time to make sure your cover page is first, and anything like appendices or references are placed at the end. Take a moment to double check the flow. Getting the sequence right here saves you time later. When you're satisfied with the arrangement, click Merge or Create Combined Document. DocHub will generate a brand new single PDF that contains all the pages from your selected files, in the exact order you set. Your original PDFs remain as they were, so you still have separate copies if you need them. Finally, rename and save. The newly merged document will appear in your documents list. Click its name to give it a clear descriptive title so it's easy to find later. DocHub saves your merged file to your library automatically, and you can open it anytime to review, share, or edit further if needed. That's all there is to it. Sign in, select your PDFs, merge, arrange, confirm, and rename. With these steps, combining PDFs in DocHub is quick, reliable, and organized.